today we will be doing a boat sky base or a flying boat. Let's check it out. It's just a glitch. Please don't report me or anything. It's harmless. Let's jump right in. We're doing a flying boat thingamabobber. So the way this glitch will work is we will have to go get a boat, and the shark is trying to eat us. I'm gonna grab this boat right over here, and basically two people can ride it, or like the whole squad can ride in it. And so you have to go into the waterfall, and there's only like one waterfall here, so you're gonna go up to this waterfall, and right before you go into it, you just jump out, I think, and then you get in, and boom, you're just up, and I think you can raise up, and there we go. That was easy, I think. Okay. So apparently I think it's because he switched seats. I don't think you actually can switch seats, so you're gonna have to choose this spot before you do this glitch, which is fine still. And just jump out, get back in, and it works. Like, it's really easy to do. It's just super fun, and it's basically you're now a flying boat. So I'm gonna just fly around, or just maybe like boat around up here, and it's basically the steps are to do this trick is to first you have to have a boat, of course. Then you will drive the boat, and just before you go into the waterfall, make sure you don't lose. Just before you go into the waterfall, you get out and then get back in right away, and then the boat will go up, and then you can turn, and then you're in the flying boat. And I don't know, I'm pretty sure you can go on land and go off land. I'm not sure yet, but you can just go over the waterfall and you go in the water. It's super funny. So, and then you go back off, I'm pretty sure, and you still can fly. So you always hope for the zone to be under the hydro dam, but if it isn't, it will be harder, and you can't go up. You can just go straight, but it's super fun to do. So you should all check this out. Load into a solo game. Sniper Shootout doesn't work for this glitch because there's no boat in Sniper Shootout, so that wouldn't work. But it's still a fun glitch to do. It's like so easy, so you can shoot from above, and it looks cool. You got a great thumbnail with it. You can it's so easy to do damage to people. I think the first time I tried this, I got a kill just with the boat. It's super fun to do. And you can go into a helicopter battle, and I think if it's just one person in the helicopter, and there's 4 of you in the boat, you will probably win. So it's a cool glitch to try. You can be stationary up there. Just make sure you're watching yours, so if you want to try Final Zone with this thing, you're going to use up people, have skills as well. And that was really good this video. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit a like down below, and leave comments on maybe what challenges to do, like shark bowling challenge, stuff like that. So yeah, make sure you comment down below for video ideas. Thank you so much for watching the video today. Let's finish this game out, and see how it goes. Thanks for watching, and watch and see. It's not really much. It's about people should know us right now. I think we're just gonna but it might die, or it might just get boring. It's in a boat, so I'm gonna cut it short. Right there, if you haven't done it, it's like dance on camera. The challenge you can do this, like 35,000 XP, so a great challenge to do to gain XP very easily. And they did disable whirlpools. Yes, and you can have people jump out and you can stay in the air. But maybe it's a glitch where if you jump out, like you can't tell that the boat's still in the air. So basically that person could be stuck up there by themselves for the rest of the game. So you maybe could build up, but it's hard to do. Just blowing up this hotel. Well, thank you all for watching today's video. It was a shorter one as well. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And turn post notifications on so you don't miss out on any new video. I'd really appreciate it. And let's hit the outro. Thank you all so much for watching today's video.